This is wireless charger here. You can see it has like a suction cup on here. Just push it onto your windscreen, flip this clip down, and that's how it suctions on. Fairly like stable. You have adjustments here to go up and down, and an adjustment here to extend out and back, and obviously behind the swivel here you've got an adjustment to like to swivel it around. So to use this, you'll need to have a wireless charging capable phone. Majority of iPhones for the last 3-4 years have this. Your Samsungs and your other brands will have it as well, but just double check you do have it. Obviously you need a power cable in there that has to plug into there. Ideally you want to sort of match this with a quick charge, like USB port. So here, this is quite like a large one, because this is a 120 watt charger. So it can charge like a laptop as well. But I want to have a PD or a quick charge 3.0 port to get the best out of the 15 watt charging, because then you'll get the quick charging on the wireless charger. So obviously the cable plugs in the bottom there, fairly straightforward. Then if you don't have like a MagSafe case or like a magnet on your case, it does come with these 2 silver rings which you can stick onto the phone or onto the case. The phone, like a phone by itself will actually stick onto here. But if you have like a case on it, you're going to need to add on one of these 2 stick-on rings that come in the kit. Or if you have like a MagSafe case, it's just going to go straight on. So obviously that's just how it goes on, it sits there, and you're going to get a 15 watt fast charging happening.